In this video, I'll be showing you how to hard reset your Samsung Galaxy A57. So what you're going to do is simply ensure that you have your computer nearby, whether it's a Windows PC, laptop, Mac, or iMac. And then you're going to ensure that you have a data cable. So the first thing you're going to do is simply connect your data cable to your phone, like so. And then the other end, you're going to connect it into your laptop. Once they've been connected successfully and you can even see the charging animation appearing, you can now use certain button combinations to enter recovery mode so that you can go ahead and hard reset. So you're going to start by pressing on the side button and the volume down button until your phone turns off. When it turns off, you're going to move your finger from the volume down to volume up while continue pressing the side button. When the logo appears, you're going to let go of the side button and continue pressing volume up until you enter recovery mode. So let's go ahead and do so. Side button, volume down, long press. Wait for the screen to turn off. Ignore the power off menu. And then volume up, side button, continue pressing, let go of the side button, and wait for you to access recovery mode. Once you're in recovery mode, you can then simply use your buttons, whether volume up or volume down, to scroll through the different options. Then you should see the option for wipe data / factory reset. So this is your hard reset option. So you're going to go ahead and use the side button to select it, like so. Then you're going to scroll down and select factory data reset. By doing so, you'll erase every single bit of data that's currently on your phone. If you haven't yet backed up your data, I'd prompt you to do so before you actually access this menu. Thanks for watching. If you have questions or comments, leave them down below, and I'll see you in the next video.